What's going on, everybody? Sergi here, back with another quick video. I know I haven't uploaded in a couple of weeks now, but I did want to let you guys know that the channel hit 300 subscribers, and I do want to thank every single one of you who have subscribed already for helping me out, supporting my channel and all that stuff, watching my videos. And if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. I upload a lot of car videos of my SI, my Focus ST, stuff like that. So definitely appreciate it if you guys subscribe and also show me some support and hit that like button for me. But anyways, today I'm going to be showing you the new headlights that I actually got on my SI. So for those of you who have been watching my videos before, you guys know that I had a chrome LED projector headlights, and you could actually see them in the videos that I've uploaded before. But I kind of got tired of the chrome housing, so I wanted to go back to like the black housing. I actually ended up picking up the OEM Asian projector headlights that Honda has on overseas. So overseas, the Hondas actually come with OEM projector headlights. I got these from Thailand, so I waited like a month for them to get to my house, but here they are. I'm really liking the way they look also, because they're OEM, so you have that OEM black housing look, but you have projectors. And something very cool about these lights that I'm going to show you guys really quick is that the position of where the blinker bulb is actually on the opposite side. So quick look here. So the blinker now is actually right here instead of right there. You have your projector headlight right there, and then these are going to be the daytime running lights. Another quick look. Now I'm going to turn the blinkers on so you guys can see what I'm talking about here. Alright, so I put the blinkers on. So that's where the blinkers are going to be now with these headlights. I think that's really cool actually. I actually like them there a lot better. I think it looks really nice. So like I said, instead of them being on the outside right over here, they're going to be right over here on the inside of the headlight. And now one more cool thing about these headlights that I want to show you, and this is all OEM, keep in mind. So this is how they come overseas. I didn't do anything special to them, no rewiring or anything. Literally just had to get the harnesses for them, because they are different harnesses than the OEM ones from the US. Look there. So if you look closely, it's bright outside, so it's a little harder to see. It actually switches back. Let me turn the car on. Have your headlights on. So when you have your actual headlight on and you put the blinker, they actually switch over like that, which I think is really cool too. And that's actually OEM. That's how these headlights actually work. Now I have a nighttime video that I took last night of the headlights blinking like this, so I'm actually gonna put that on this video as well. But I mean, I really like these headlights. They look really good. I really like the new position of where the blinker bulb is. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like these better than the last headlights I had. I personally like them a lot. I thought it was actually too much chrome with the headlights I had before. I'm liking these a lot better. And they're actually bright too, they have good output. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna show you guys as well the quick clip of that I took last night of them blinking at night. And hope you guys like this video. And remember to hit that like and subscribe button for me. and I would really appreciate that. See you guys in the next one.